everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add or change the banner on your Streamlabs donation page. First, go to streamlabs.com and open your dashboard. On the left side panel, look for the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to open your My Tips page. Below My Tips, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll start on Tip Methods. Click the next tab, Tip Page Design. You'll see 2 sections here. You'll see Content first, then scroll down to find the Design section. Make sure you're in the Design section. Under Design, you'll see the option called Banner Override. Make sure your banner image is ready and that its size is 640 by 190 pixels. To add your image or video banner, you can either enter an image URL by clicking the chain icon, or by uploading a file by clicking the arrow up icon next to the X. I'll upload an image, so I'll click the arrow up icon. That will open the media gallery. I'll be dragging my image in, but choose whichever method works for you. If you uploaded a file, you'll see your banner appear in the media gallery. Click on it, then click the green select button in the bottom right. You'll see that it's loaded in. Once you're done, click the Save Changes button at the bottom left of the screen. A pop-up at the top right will appear saying that the settings have been saved. To check if it worked, scroll back up until you see your tip page. Click the link to copy your tip page URL. Open up a new tab, paste the link, and press Enter. Now let's check the donation page, and you should now see the banner we uploaded or selected.